Hello, class 7 students. Welcome, everyone. So, here we come to the last topic of the chapter light, that is sunlight, white or colored. Okay, sunlight, white or colored. So, first of all, here in the textbook it is given about a rainbow. Okay, they have explained you about rainbow, but first of all, we'll discuss about dispersion of light. What? Dispersion of light. Okay, so there is a figure 15.30 given over here. Just look at it. Okay, yes, see, in the year 1665, in the year 1665, okay, 1665, Sir Isaac Newton, okay, he was a very great physicist. Okay, Sir Isaac Newton discovered by his experiments with glass prisms. Okay, he discovered by his experiments with glass prism. This is a glass prism, as you can see over here. This is a glass prism. Okay, he discovered that white light, like say sunlight, white light or say sunlight, consists of a mixture of lights of 7 colors. What? White light or say sunlight consists of a mixture of lights of 7 colors. Okay, clear? He found that if a beam of white light, just like this one is a beam of white light, is passed through a glass prism. This is the glass prism. Glass prism is a transparent glass material. Okay, glass prism is a transparent glass material. So he found that if a beam of white light is passed through a glass prism, then the white light splits to form a band of 7 colors. It splits to form a band of 7 colors. This is a band of 7 colors. Band means a group of 7 colors. Okay, as you can see over here, this is a band of 7 colors. Okay, so the band of 7 colors was allowed to fall on a white screen. Are you getting it? So this band of 7 colors which is formed on a screen, or which is formed on a white screen when a beam of white light is passed through a glass prism, this band of 7 colors was known as spectrum. What? Spectrum. 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 Okay, and this 7 colors of the spectrum consists of, I will write over here, red. Okay, you can look over here only. The name of the colors are given here: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Okay, so the 7 colors of the spectrum was red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Okay, the band of 7 colors was known to be as a spectrum, and this splitting of white sunlight into 7 colors on passing through a transparent medium like a glass prism is called dispersion of light. This was called as what? Dispersion of light. Splitting of light is called as dispersion of light, and the band of 7 colors which was formed was called as spectrum. Clear? See, splitting, this sunlight was splitted, right? The sunlight was splitted into 7 colors. 7 colors was formed. This splitting of white light is known as dispersion of light, and the band of 7 colors which was formed over here, band of 7 colors which was formed on the screen over here, say suppose. Okay, this was known to be as spectrum. Clear? Okay. So, the formation of spectrum of 7 colors shows that white light is a mixture of 7 colors, or say sunlight is a mixture of 7 colors. Okay, so we can say that what? Sunlight consists of 7 colors. Clear? Now we'll come to our the topic, that is rainbow, first of all. Okay. So one of the most beautiful example of a spectrum formed by the dispersion of sunlight is provided by nature in the form of rainbow. Okay. Okay. It is an arc of 7 colors which is seen in the sky. Rainbow is an arc of 7 colors. Okay. And it is in Hindi, it is called as what? Indradhanush. Okay. Indradhanush. Okay. In Hindi, it is called as what? Indradhanush. Clear? And this 7 colored rainbow is formed in the sky just after the rain when the sun is shining. When the sun is shining. Okay, just after the rain when the sun is shining. Clear? And we can see a rainbow in the sky only when our back is towards the sun. Yes. Have you ever seen a rainbow in the sky? This question is given in your book. Have you ever seen a rainbow in the sky? You might have noticed that it appears usually after the rain when the sun is low in the sky. Okay, the rainbow is seen as a large arc in the sky with many colors. So how many colors are present in a rainbow? When observed carefully, there are 7 colors in a rainbow. Though it may not be easy to distinguish all of them, but these are what? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Okay. So in rainbow also, how many colors are present? 7 colors. What are these? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. How this rainbow is formed? How this is produced? How the rainbow is produced? Rainbow is actually produced by the dispersion of sunlight, the splitting of sunlight by what? By the tiny raindrops suspended in the atmosphere. See, during the rainfall, what happens? There are many raindrops present in the sky. Okay, present in the atmosphere. So just after the rain, there are large number of small water drops suspended in the atmosphere. So each of these water drops will act like a small prism. So as the sunlight enters and leaves these tiny water drops, the various colored rays of sunlight are deviated by different amounts, and a long arc of 7 colors, which is called as rainbow, is formed in the sky. Are you getting it? Okay. See, it is not easy to distinguish all of the 7 colors of white light in the rainbow because many colors will overlap over one another. Many colors will overlap over one another. So the formation of rainbow having 7 colors shows that, again, white light consists of 7 colors. Okay, white light consists of how many colors? 7 colors, remember. Okay. Next, many a times we have seen that when we say blow soap bubbles. Have you ever blown soap bubbles? Yes. See, soap bubbles, when you blow soap bubbles, what will happen? Soap bubbles, SOAP. Okay, soap bubbles. When you blow soap bubbles, they appear colorful, having many different colors. So the formation of colorful soap bubbles also tell us that white sunlight is a mixture of many different colors. That is 7 colors, right? Similarly, when white sunlight is reflected from the surface of a compact disc, that is CD, we see many colors. In the figure also you can see this one. Okay, compact disc is there. When it is placed in the sun, then the sunlight will get reflected from it, from the surface of the compact disc. Then we will be able to see many different colors on the surface of the compact disc. Okay, so on the basis of these experiences, could we say that sunlight is a mixture of different colors? Yes, sunlight is a mixture of different colors. So these all observations tells us that white sunlight is a mixture of many colors. Clear? Now there is an activity 15.11. Take a glass prism, allow a narrow beam of sunlight through a small hole in the window of a dark room. to fall on one face of the prism. Just like this one. You have to sit in a dark room and you have to place the prism in the dark room. But you have to allow a narrow beam of sunlight through a small hole in the window of a dark room. And it should fall on one of the face of the prism. Okay, so let the light coming out of the other face of the prism fall on a white sheet of paper or on a white wall. What do you observe? Okay, see, this transparent glass prism will split the white sunlight into 7 colors. So you have to place one white screen over here, so that all the 7 colors may fall on the white screen. So what you will observe? You will observe a band of 7 colors. Okay, you will observe what? A band of 7 colors. Do you see colors similar to those in a rainbow? Yes. So this shows that sunlight consists of 7 colors. Okay, the sunlight is said to be white light. So this means that the white light consists of 7 colors. Try to identify these colors and write their names in your notebook. As I have already mentioned, what are the names of these? Red, okay, orange, okay, yellow, green, okay, blue, indigo, and lastly violet. Clear? Okay, so can we mix these colors to get back the white light again? Let us try. Okay, if you mix these 7 colors, can you get the white light back? See, yes, first of all we can mix the 7 colored lights to get back the white light. Okay, how? There is an activity 15.12. You have to take a circular cardboard disc of about 10 centimeter diameter. Divide this disc into 7 segments. You have to divide this into 7 segments, and you have to paint the 7 rainbow colors on these segments as shown in figure 15.31a. This one. You have to paint with the 7 colors. Okay, the disc. Or you can also paste colored papers on these segments. If color is not available with you, you can paste some colored papers on it. But it is better to color it. Okay, it is better to color it because you may not find colored papers everywhere, right? But colors you can find. Okay, so better to color it. Make a small hole at the center of the disc. Fix the disc loosely on the tip of a refill of a ball pen, just like this one. You have to make a small hole at the center and you have to fix a ball pen refill in it. Ensure that the disc rotates freely. You have to ensure that the disc will rotate freely. Okay, rotate the disc in the daylight only. When the disc is rotated fast, the colors get mixed together and the disc appears to be whitish. Okay, when the disc is rotated very fast, all the 7 colors mix together, due to which the disc appears to be white. So thus the rapid rotation of the disc tells us that the mixing of 7 colors of the spectrum can give us white light. Okay, clear? So such a disc is popularly known as what disc? Such a disc is popularly known as Newton's disc. Okay, clear? Okay, so hence this concludes our chapter, that is light, and in the next video I will be providing you the questions and answers of the exercise. Okay, we'll do the exercise in the next video. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.